Hare Krishna, Dhanur Pranam to all of you all. Please accept my humble obeisances. All glories to His Divine Grace Srila Prabhupada and to His disciples and to all His followers. Hare Krishna. I thought I'll just share a little bit of Leela of Lord Mahavishnu and why we worship Bimla Devi in the temple of Jagannath. So I'll just start this in 2 minutes. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. 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 So as I was mentioning, just why we worship Bimala Devi in Lord Jagannath's temple, where she is beautifully giving mercy to the devotees, and she was the cause of this great mercy. So many eons back, Lord Narada Muni once was serving Lakshmi Mata very much with great love and reverence, and he pleased her in Vaikunta, and she asked him, like, my dear son, you have done so much seva for me, what can I give you? What benediction do you want? So Narada Muni, as we all know, is very much always into the glories of the Lord, and he doesn't need anything else except the holy names. But he is very intelligent also. So he said, Mom, my dear mother, Lakshmi, please give me the Mahaprasad of Lord Narayan. Every day you must be getting it from him. At least give me something of it. So when he told this to Lakshmi ji, immediately she became a little serious and fell into a sort of a thinking mode and was a little remorse also. And told, my dear son, it is so happened that just a few days back, my dear husband Narayan has told me that I should not distribute his Mahaprasadam to anybody. So I don't think I can do this for you. So can you ask for something else? But Narada Muni, as we know, is intelligent. He said, no, my dear mother, I don't need anything else. You have to fulfill this desire for me. Somehow or the other, you are the most compassionate person. I am your son. Who else can I go for this and ask? I need this Mahaprasad. Please help me. So Mahalakshmi was serving the Lord and massaging his lotus feet. But she was a little off mind, and Narayan could see that she was not concentrating. So he asked her, what happened to you? You seem a little distracted. So Mahalakshmi said, my dear Lord, actually, yes, it's true. Our dear son Narada Muni has asked me for the Mahaprasadam, which you have forbidden me to give, and I cannot go against the wishes of my husband. So how do I solve this predicament? Please help me. Because I don't want to discourage my very dear son Narada Muni. He has done so much seva and he is always glorifying you. So the Lord said, yes, I understand this, but okay, we'll do one thing. You give him for a day. For a day I will break this rule. After I finish tomorrow, the prasad, I will look the other way, take a little bit of it and give it to him. So the next day, Mahalakshmi gave the Mahaprasadam to Narada Muni. So Narada Muni was extremely happy, ecstatic. The moment he got it, he started devouring it with enthusiasm and great reverence. But when he took the Mahaprasadam of the Lord, Supreme Personality of Godhead, his whole body and the parameters changed so much that he started dancing in ecstasy. Of course, he always dances with his veena, he goes around, chants, and he's always into that mood. But this, when he got his Mahaprasadam, he was into a mood which was unpredictably seen. Never anybody has seen such great enthusiasm of the Lord. And he went out dancing all over the place. He went to all the demigods here and there, and last he ended up at Kailash, where Lord Shiva resides, because he is his elder brother. So he wanted to share. So when Lord Shiva saw him coming, he was very surprised. He said, normally Narada Muni comes with veena and he is ecstatic and everything, but today is totally different. He is not even looking here and there and he is dancing like anybody's business and totally into a different mood. So Lord Shiva stopped him and he said, hey Narada, what happened? What happened to you today? You seem totally different, and why are you dancing like this? I see you glowing so much and in ecstasy. You are in total bliss. What's happening? Tell me a secret. So Narada Muni immediately told him that he has just had the great Mahaprasadam of the Supreme Person of Godhead. So when Lord Shiva heard this, he said, hey, younger brother, you had Mahaprasadam, and where is my share? Please give it to me. So Narada Muni sheepishly looked up at, and was smiling, and he said, my dear Lord Shiva, I have consumed everything and I don't have anything left. Lord Shiva said, how could you do like this? And he grabbed Narada Muni's hand and looked at it, and there was one small piece still left. And he said, oh, you're still hiding this. And he immediately took that piece and had it into his mouth. When Lord Shiva took this Mahaprasadam, he also started dancing in ecstasy, going around, jumping, and he started doing Tandav Nritya. Tandav Nritya is done only during the time of the last phase, when the winding up of the universe is done and the Maha destruction takes place. That time Lord Shiva does the Tandav Nritya. So he saw this, Narada Muni saw this, that Lord Shiva was in ecstasy and he was dancing. And his Tandav Nritya became so prolific that the whole creation started trembling and it was like going towards destruction. So all the demigods were in shock. They said, what's wrong? The time has not come and what's happening? But they had no courage to go to Lord Shiva and stop him. They went to Parvati Mata and told her, Mata, please go and stop Lord Shiva immediately, because everything is getting disturbed by his Tandav Nritya. So you only can stop this. So even Parvati Mata was surprised. He said, how can Lord Shiva do this today? So he went to him and asked him, oh my dear Lord, please can you stop this and also tell me what is happening? I mean, you are not even shared why you are doing this. So Lord Shiva then told her. The Lord Shiva cannot hide lies. He is always very upfront. So immediately he told her, I just had Mahaprasadam from Narada Muni, and I am beyond my control. I cannot do anything else. Once I consume this Mahaprasadam, I am just dancing and dancing. So when Parvati Mata heard this, she was very upset. She said, you have devoured so much Mahaprasadam and you are into ecstasy and you are not even shared with me. This is totally atrocious. My dear husband, how could you do this? And normally when the wives get upset, they stop talking, and she went to a corner in anger, and her anger was so much that it started disturbing the universe, and a lot of heat was generated. And this disturbance was another problem. Here we had a problem of the Tandav Nritya, which was stopped, but here another problem came of Parvati Mata getting upset. Then all the demigods came and told Brahmaji that this is happening. All your creation is going to get disturbed and totally devastated. There will be no air to breathe. So Brahmaji with all the demigods rushed to Mahavishnu and told Mahavishnu that you only can stop this. So Mahavishnu comes on his Garuda and tries to pacify Parvati Mata and said, oh my dear sister, what's happening? Why are you so much annoyed? You want Mahaprasadam? I'll give it to you every day. Don't worry, just compose yourself and come back to normal, because you will destroy everybody otherwise. So Parvati Mata has told Mahavishnu Hey, my dear Lord, she prostrated and gave obeisances and welcomed him and gave all the respects and said, I'm not very keen on only having Mahaprasad for myself, but I want all my children, all the children of this world to have this Mahaprasad. So if you are going to have a deal like, that you give to everybody, then only I'll be content. So Mahavishnu said, no problem, Tatastu, he said. He said in a very short time, I mean the time period of the demigods and the lords are in eons, but he said, soon I'll be appearing on the earthly planet as Jagannath. And in that temple, there will be total distribution of Mahaprasad with no qualms. Even the Brahmana will get it, even the dog will get it. Because it's said that the prasad of Jagannath, even a dog who has tasted is considered auspicious, and the Brahmana can have that prasad, which is touched by the dog's mouth. It's so auspicious. So he said, I'm going to appear there, and in that temple, you will be next to me. So here in Jagannath Puri, we have Lord Mahavishnu, and we have Parvati Devi as Bimala Mata, just behind him, in the main entrance in the courtyard. And he said, and before that he said, to pacify her, yeah, the Lord Shiva is always like this, he does all these things, he never does things straight. He should have given you this Mahaprasad and all, he tried to console her. And he said, because of this act of his, he is not even considering my dear sister, I am going to keep him outside. So that's why when you go to Lord Jagannath Puri, it's a Rebode, where you see the main temple inside, you have Lord Vishnu where they offer, and he said, every day the prasadam will be offered to me and you will be the first person to get my prasadam. So in Jagannath Puri, after Lord Mahavishnu is offered the prasad, Jagannath Prasad, it's given to Bimala Mata. And from there it becomes Mahaprasad and everybody gets this distribution and of that Mahaprasad. So Mahavishnu consoled Parvati Devi and said, you will be next to me, you will always get the Mahaprasad from my side after I eat, the prasad, and it will be a Mahaprasad. And your husband, Shiva, the notorious husband of yours, he will be kept outside the gate. He will not be near the courtyard. He will not get anything. So that's why Lord Shiva is outside the gate of this place. So thank you very much. So this is a small Leela of Bimala Devi, where Mahaprasadam is distributed. And we all know in Jagannath Puri, we have so many thousands of varieties of prasadam cooked every day, 600 to 700 chulas being burned inside. The courtyard is one of the biggest kitchens that we have, and Radharani herself actually looks after the whole cooking with Mahalakshmi. It's a wonderful place to go be there, ecstatic, you will feel, and they don't make small amounts, they give huge amounts, and then you buy in Anand Bazaar. The only thing is that you have to buy your prasad in Jagannath Puri, but if you buy also even for a small amount, it's so huge that even 10 people can eat it. And it is so wonderfully tasty because it is Maha Prasad. So please do visit Jagannath Puri and relish this nectarian Leela by having Mahaprasad there and have darshan of the Lord, which is the most magnificent form of Jagannath. Hare Krishna. Thank you very much. Hari Hari Bol.